As it is told, an adjective is a describing word, or in other words, if we say an adjective is a word that we speak something special about a noun. Okay. So as per the definition given in your book, adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Now for example, if I say this is a blue pen, okay, the color is blue. So what is the speciality of this pen? Pen is a noun for us, and what is the speciality or what we are describing about this word is a blue, the color blue. If I say this is a red pen, what is the speciality of this pen? It's a red, color red. Or another example is that when I speak about this ruler, or if as it is used a scale, it is a long scale. So what is the speciality of this scale or the ruler? The long. Okay. So considering these all examples, we can say an adjective is a describing word or speaking something special about a noun. Okay. Now we are going to speak about the kinds of adjectives. In this video, we will be discussing about the 7 kinds of adjectives. Okay. Now we go with the adjectives of quality. Okay. First one is adjectives of quality. Okay. Adjectives of quality tells us what kind of a person or thing is. What kind of a person or a thing is. Now for example, Ram is a smart boy. Okay. Now here the boy is a noun for us. Now what is the speciality about this boy? Is a smart. So therefore we can say the word smart is an adjective of quality. This is a adjective of quality and this is a noun for us. Another example, if I say Mary has beautiful doll. Mary has a beautiful doll. Now what is a noun for us here? Doll is a noun for us, and what we are describing about this doll is a beautiful. Okay. So therefore we can say that the word beautiful is a adjective of quality. Okay. Adjectives of quality, and this is a noun for us. Another example, I go with the China is a large country. Okay. So here country is a noun for us, and we are describing about this country, that is a word large. Okay. So the large is the adjective of quality for us, and country is a noun for us. So considering all these examples, we can say that adjectives of quality answer to the question what kind. Now what kind of boy? Smart boy. What kind of doll? A beautiful doll. And what kind of country? Large country. Okay. So this is the adjectives of quality. Now we go with the second one, that is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. And from the word quantity we understand it's of measurement. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Before going with the examples, let's know that adjectives of quantity answer to the question how much. How much. From the word we understand is a measurement. Okay. Now, for example, there is some water in the can. What does it mean? A can? Can means a container. Okay. So there is some water in the can. Now our noun is water. We are describing about this water, and what is that? We are describing there is some water. Okay, so it is a measurement. Okay, so therefore the word some is the adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity, we can say it is adjectives of quantity. And what is the noun for us here? It's a water. Okay, okay. Now another example, if I say there is a little water in the well. Okay, so here also we are describing about the water. We are going to say that how much measurement we are saying, there is a little. So therefore the word little shows the describing word of this noun water, and this is adjectives of quantity. Then another one, Alice has enough courage to face the situation. Okay, now the noun is courage for us, and we are saying about the courage, or we are describing about the courage that she has got enough. Okay, here also we are telling about the measurement. Okay, how much courage she has got? Enough courage. So as it is, we told adjectives of quantity answer to the question how much. Okay, that is all about the adjectives of quantity. Now we go with the next. Next kinds of adjective, that is adjectives of number. Next is adjectives of number. Here from the word itself you have understood number. It gives us a correct number. For example, if I write there are 7 colors in rainbow. Okay, now our noun is colors. We are describing how many colors? 7. So therefore this 7 is the adjectives of number, and the noun here for us is colors. Okay, now another one, there is no apples in the basket. Here the word no, that means nothing. Okay, so a noun is the apples. So therefore we are telling how much. So please try to understand that the adjectives of number tells us how many. In the first example we have told there are 7 colors. It shows the number of things. Same way, in the second one also there is no apples. Okay, so here also shows the number, correct number, or almost which we can count, that is added in the adjective. Now the fourth kind of adjective is distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive numeral adjectives. Okay, now always remember that distributive numeral adjectives refer to a specific things out of a group. Now in distributive numeral adjectives we have 4 words like each, every, either, neither. Okay, now please remember when we use each is referred to the individual things or persons in a group of 2 or more. Okay, clear? Each refer to the individual things or persons in a group of 2 or more. For example, it is given each girl wore a hat. It's a group of people, and we are particularly telling each individual, each girl. That means all the girls have wore the hat. Now, secondly, the word is that every. Every is used to refer a complete group of something. Here also we have a group of people or thing, and we are referring everyone together. every student has passed the examination or exam. Okay, so here also is a group of people and we are referring everyone. Please try to understand each we refer always with the individual thing or person, and every is the group of something. And another word is that either. Here either used to refer one of the two. Either is used one of the two. Okay. For example, you can visit either Monday or Tuesday. We have 2 days here. Among this, any one day you can come and visit. Okay. So either used to refer one of the two. We have 2 days and any 1 days. Okay. Now what is neither? Neither is used to refer none of the two. None of the two. Here example is that neither of the books was very good. Here also we have a group of things, and among that not even one was very good. Okay. Neither of the books was very good. So in distributive numeral adjectives we have 4 words like each, every, either and neither. Now we go with the 5th kind of adjectives, that is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. This is the 4th one we have studied, and the 5th one is the demonstrative adjectives. Okay. In demonstrative adjectives also we have 4 words like this, that, these, those. Okay. This, that, these, those. Now for example, when I say this pen is mine, this pen is mine. Okay. Here I have pen is only singular, so therefore I have used this. And another thing to remember in this particular adjective, that this and that will be used for the singular noun, and these and those will be used for the plural noun. If I say these are my pen, these are my pen, so therefore here it is a plural noun we have, so therefore I have used these. And if I say this is my pen, here also we have only singular noun, so therefore we have used this, and for the singular we have to use this and that, and for the plural we use these and those. And remember that in demonstrative adjectives the answer to the question which is your pen, this is my pen. Which are your pen? These are my pens. Okay, clear. So to the question which, we get the answer in demonstrative adjectives. And we go with the next 6 kind of adjectives, that is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Now what is a possessive? Means something that I own or somebody else own. Okay. Now if I say this pen is mine, this pen is mine, this pen is mine, this it belongs to me, or it is mine, so therefore we used we are telling who owns this one. Now if I say these are his pens, for example if I say these are his pens, so it belongs to him. Okay, so to show the possession or which owned by someone, there we use possessive adjective. Okay. Now we go with the last kinds of adjectives, that is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative. I hope the word interrogative you understand. You might have learned the word interrogative. What is the meaning of interrogative? Interrogative means a question word. Interrogative means a question word. So in interrogative adjectives we have 4 words like which, what, whose. Which, what, whose. Okay. Now we use these 3 words, which, what and whose. So using these words we make a question. Okay, that is called interrogative adjectives. For example, which book do you want want to buy? Okay, which book do you want to buy? So book is a noun for us here, and we have used the word which. So therefore we are referring to this book, okay, and we have used the word which. Okay, therefore this is interrogative adjectives. Means in interrogative adjectives, please remember, we use three words like which, what and whose to make a question sentence. So this is all about the kinds of adjectives. So there are 7 kinds of adjectives: adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number. I hope when we say the word, you are understanding the meaning of it. Adjectives of quality, what kind of; adjectives of quantity, how much; and adjectives of number, how many. Then in distributive numeral adjectives, we have 4 words like each, every, either, neither. And in the demonstrative adjective also, we have 4 words like this, that, these, those. And then comes the possessive adjectives, which shows that someone owning on to that one or belong to someone. Then and the last one is interrogative adjectives. So these are the 7 kinds of adjectives we have. So as we discussed the kinds of adjectives, we have seen that the adjective, the word we have used after every noun. Okay. So in most of the cases, the adjective word we use usually after the noun. So those kinds of use of adjective is called attributive use of adjective. Attributive use of adjectives. So what we say in attributive use of adjectives? Attributive use of adjectives says that the adjective is used before the noun. Okay. For example, Ashoka was a just king. Ashoka was a just king. Here king is a noun for us, and the adjective that we have used before the noun just. Okay. So this kind of use is called attributive use of adjectives. But there are some cases that we use the adjectives before the after the verbs. For example, her voice is very sweet. Okay, her voice is very sweet. Okay, here is our verb, and we have used adjective after the verb. So this kind of use is called predicative use of adjectives. So please try to understand the difference between this attributive use of adjective and predicative use of. First, the attributive use of adjective, that where we use the adjective before the noun, and in the predicative use of adjective, we use the adjective we use after the verb. So I hope you have understood this lesson. Now what you need to do it, you need to find out at least 2 examples each for the attributive use of adjective and predicative use of adjectives, provided that you will not be just copying from your book. Either you can refer a Google or any other book. Okay, and there are so many examples, exercise given in your book, in page number 59 of your book. In the first exercise is asked to use any suitable adjectives. So you, and like example, dash boy, you can write a smart boy or intelligent boy, anything like that. And the second exercise, it is asked to write the kinds of adjectives. Okay, so like there was an honest man, like that. So in that it comes adjectives of quality. So and the exercise number C says the use of adjectives, like attributive adjective and predicative use of adjectives. Okay, so please do it in your book, and we'll be discussing later. Thank you.